we are back with another video. So we're about to head out to PA. We're about to go meet up with Prep, head out to Non-Fixtion Performance. Today's the big day. We're about to go pick up the 240. Pops let me borrow the truck. Got the trailer. So yeah, we're about to head out, hit the road. Right now to Non-Fixtion Performance. I'm watching the road. We're about like 4 minutes away. So yeah, let's pull up to the shop, say what's up, load the car up, and head back to the crib.
I don't know what I'm finna get you. Hey, I don't need a VPN for the sauce. You ain't even hit to. Take this little car, walk inside the store, baby. It ain't shit to it.
Made it out to Non-Fixtion. We got Prep in the cut. Got the car right. Man, I'm so happy. You see this S14 right here. S14 right here. So yeah, you know, we're just going over everything. We're about to load it up. Well, first about to hear it, go out there. He gonna, you know, get some donuts, get this thing right, you know. I'm so happy right now. I'm just can't get my words together. But once we load it up, get back down to the crib and everything, get situated, calm down, you know, we're gonna explain more. So I just want to say it on camera again. Thank you, Prep. Thank you, Non-Fixtion.
You already know, man.
Yes, sir.
Long time coming, but we here, baby.
Yes, sir. This thing, oh my God. I'm like, this was a problem child, but the wizard, the master, he got this thing situated. Thank you. Thank you. S14 out here. We've been ripping around, you know, not too much, some slight, just so we can break it in, get used to the car. But the main thing we had to address was this gasket that was inside of there. So I just got the gasket today, tighten those down, and also put the lock washers on. So we should be good now. And put my cover on the fuse box, getting this leak situated, and it's from my oil pressure sensor. So I made this unit down there a while ago, and I just gotta clean that up, get that right, and we'll be good. But yeah, just cleaning up everything that I can. Got everything tight. All these are tight, that's tight. So we're in the 240 right now. What we are doing is we are looking for our socket and extension is what we're doing. Hold on, give me 1 second. I had to custom make some bolts, and I don't know how I feel about them. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so we have a full unit. Now you guys can stop saying my steering wheel looks brolic. So yeah, let me back up. Yeah, so we got a whole unit right here. I'm gonna end up fixing the speedo. I gotta get the speedo to work first. So I'm gonna keep on getting small stuff situated. I gotta get my headlights wired up correctly. But steering wheel is in. So what we're doing today is we're just adjusting the coilover. So right now, what I'm doing is heating up the coilovers.